What's up to my favorite bunch of beauties? Welcome back to Niecy W Beauty. My name is Denise or Niecy. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy what you see and consider subscribing. Today is my makeup basket for the week of April the 8th or 9th. April the 9th. We are going to jump right on in. I feel like I may have taken something out of my basket from last week and already put it up because I thought I had like 4 eyeshadow palettes and now I'm only seeing like 3 of them. But anyway, I did use the ColourPop Inner Peach eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette is home, so of course, like, the color story is home, the formula is home, so I used that and I enjoyed it. I didn't use anything else, so I'll just show you the next eyeshadow palette that I had in here, and this is from Kaleidos, and this is the Futurism 6 Lunar Lavender eyeshadow palette, and that looks like this. And I did not use that, but we will revisit that later. Also did not use the MAC eyeshadow ×9 Kabuki Doll palette, which looks like that. Did use the Sydney Grace cheek or face palette, the Luminous Light in Deep, which looks like this. Really nice, really pigmented. And that is all of like the palettes that I had in my basket. I did use the RMS Beauty Uncover Up concealer and the Uncover Up cream foundation, both in shade 66, and I like these. And I used the Tinted Unpowder, and this is in the shade 2 to 3. I liked all of the RMS products, and I have 3 blushes, and these 3 blushes are going to stay. I did not use the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint, and this is in the shade 17, so did not use that, but I'm going to put that back. Oh, it's right there. I am going to keep my blushes because now that I don't have to wear a mask, I can wear a more full face of makeup, which means blush and lipstick or lip gloss. I am excited about that. So the blushes that I am keeping are the Say, and I hope I'm saying that right, Dew Blush in Dreamy, which is a liquid blush. The Tower 28 Beach Please in Office Hours, and that looks like this, so I'm keeping that. And the Bare Minerals bronzer in the shade Kiss of Rose, which looks like this, and I do have that on my cheeks today. I don't have any highlighter on because when I use like a shimmery blush, I tend not to use a highlighter. So that is all of the stuff that was in my basket from last week. And this week I am putting in my basket my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte because it's in my project pan. I can never remember that. It's in my project pan, and I'm not doing a good job of using my project pan items, so I'm putting a couple of items from my project pan into my basket this week. I also have another foundation that I did use today, and it is from Tarte, and it is a Maracuja Juicy Glow foundation, and I have it in the shade Tan Deep Neutral. It's kind of hard to show you this. It's like with the shine on it, but I have that in Tan Deep Neutral, and when I first put it on, it felt a little dark, but I feel like I evened it out with the concealer. And speaking of concealers, I am using, and I did use today, the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Spots Corrector Plus Serum. And I have it in the shade Tan Warm. So that is going to be in there. And then I used the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and this is just the blue or green or whatever color you want to call it. And it's pretty good. The stickiness reminds me, of course, of the Milk primer, but of course you all know that. My bronzer, I have the Kosas bronzer in Deep, and it says it's a warm dark bronze, and it looks like that. And I did use that today also. Let me stick that over here. And then my powder is from LYS, and it's a Triple Fix Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Independent or Tan. And it looks like that. And these are the items, sorry if I didn't say that I'm going to be using this week. I have lip products, and I am happy to say I have lip products. And the first one is going to be a lip liner, and I am gonna, I'll just keep it in here, and it is the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Pitch. So just a dark brown lip liner, and I did use that today, but I ended up taking it off because I felt like it was too dark. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lip colors. The first one is the one I have on my lips today, and it's from Ace Beauty. It is their lip gloss in Spicy, and that looks like that. And I have a lipstick from Up Beauty, and it's called Dream It, and nice dark red. I tried to have, I don't know, do I have a pink? Just call you in the pink family. I have one of the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink lip glosses, and this is in the shade Witty, and it looks like that. So we'll consider this pink / purple, whatever. No, this will just be in the pink family because I have a purple. I have one of the Pat McGrath, I think this is her. It's called the Lip Fetish Divinal Lip Shine, and this one is in the shade Flesh 7. So it looks like that. One of my favorite types of shades. You can just throw it on and go. I have 2 MAC lipsticks. One of them is from the Black Panther collection, and this is in the shade Wakandan Sunset. And it looks like this. And then of course I had to have an orange, and this is from that new Chili's Crew collection, and this is in the shade Chili Popper, and it is one of the Luster Glass lipsticks, and it looks like that. So sort of a reddish orange shade. And a little bonus one that was already in my makeup basket is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, and this is a little mini of it. So that is that. We will drop you back down in there. And then the last thing that, oh, I did like just grab, because I wanted to use my Mally eyeliners, or Evercolor Gel Waterproof Liners. And I got them in a set of 10, so I'm going to put that in my basket too. Oh, I didn't put a highlight on, but I want to try this. And this is from Kaleidos. So I just got this one. I got the Futurism palettes, I think they call it. And this is Solar Sailor. So it looks white here, but it shows up as a gold when you put it on. And let me grab something with a mirror. And what side did I put it on? Yeah, ooh, it really shows up as a gold when you put it on. Almost too gold for what I have on now. Wow. All right. Definitely, we'll put that down in there. All right, and now we'll go on to our eyeshadows. And this one I have on my eyes today. And it is a new eyeshadow palette from Sydney Grace. And this one is called Unbreakable Bond. And if you follow me on Instagram, I did put some pictures up of it. But this is Unbreakable Bond in the deep version. So we have that. This is my second item from my Project Pan, Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. And we all know what that looks like. This is really home right here with the really warm neutral shades. And I pulled out the Sydney Grace and Mel Thompson Tiny Marbles palette. And I pulled that out because it has a definite spring vibe to it. So we'll wear that. And I pulled out from Juvia's Place the Fula palette. And this is one of their small 9-pan palettes. And it looks like this. And then the last palette I pulled out has been sitting in my drawer in a box. So the box looks the same as the palette, so I'm throwing away the box. And this is from Unearthly Cosmetics. Just trying to see if that was Bella. This is from Unearthly Cosmetics, and it is the Sleepover palette. And I pulled this one out because it has plenty of pinks in it and sort of purples. So we're going to be using that. And that is it. That is my makeup basket for the week of April the 9th. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.